So we are going to see how to draw a storyboard. So how to draw a storyboard. So a storyboard is a creative visualization. So it's a visualization tool. So why do we use it? So we use it for communicating our ideas. We use it for communicating our ideas to others. So when we communicate with others, so we might mean something, we might say something, and we might not, the others might not be able to visualize it. So when I say something, so say for example, I say the word car, but other person is thinking of a, say, a small car like this. But what if I mean a sports car, right? So that's why we always need to know, we always do a storyboard. So I can mean a car like this and they can imagine a car like this. So when I say a close up, they might mean, they might think like, okay, inside the frame the person's eye is going to be covered like this. But maybe when I say close up for an eye, it could be just a single eye, and then there is a tear drop coming like this. So that's why we always try to use a storyboard, right? So how does a storyboard look like? A storyboard is a set of rectangles like this with the fixed aspect ratio of whatever we are shooting in. It has rectangles like this, and then we draw whatever we want is captured or drawn within the boxes. So, say for example, we have a small child is coming, so it's a girl child, and then there is a puddle on the street. There is a puddle on the street. The child falls on the puddle. So this is what you are trying to say. With this, you can show them what you. With this, you can show them whatever you are trying to say in a visual manner and also shot by shot. So here you can see it's a long shot. Here you can see the angle is lower towards the ground. So even if you have camera movements, so you can show it here. So if a camera movement is involved, then the frame will be much bigger. So then we'll say, so again, say for example, a car is there. So this is what you want to show, but you will draw like this. You will draw a square and then maybe I'll use a different color. So you will show them how the camera is moving. So within the frame, right? So this means the camera is going to move and show the entire car. Right? So this is a simple storyboard. So storyboard helps in various ways, like we have spoken before, right? It helps in communicating our ideas to others. It helps to visualize the scene. Even if we have different language barriers, it works. So when we want to show it to 100 people, it's always better. So a movie is not a single person's work, right? So many people are involved. So it's helpful if we have storyboards. It also helps in shot division. So you know what are the different shots that are going to be there before even you go to the scene, right? So these are the various uses for a storyboard. So we do it for movies, we do it for advertisements, So it saves us a lot of money in production and post production scene. So if we invest our time and money in a storyboard during the pre-production stage, it helps us to reduce a lot of confusion, saves time, saves money during the post-production and production stage, right? So that is a short introduction to a storyboard.